Hey guys, this is just a quick look at the Klein Tools flipping nut driver. So you have 5/32 here on one end, and then it's held in by their ball detent system and the hollow handle. Flip it around. Both ends are magnetized. They set in there nicely, have a good grip. You can see the magnets are a little proud of what's around it, so if you do have metal shavings, it won't keep it from working unless it gets real gunked up. But nice magnets. The feels like the 5/32 is a little stronger magnet. Yeah, it's a lot stronger magnet. Maybe just the added diameter. But magnets are solid, so you can hang on to the screws and set them. If you're like me, it's mainly sheet metal screws, so that's the reason I have these. So mainly for working on my wife's kiln. Kilns are typically held together with sheet metal screws into the fire brick. So yeah, so handy. It's got the traditional Klein cushion grip, very comfortable, easily labeled on the back or identified on the back. So you know it's got the two sizes of nut driver on it. And all in all, just a great addition to the toolkit and gives you a little versatility if you don't have the flip sockets with you, or you want something that's just fixed and not something that can bump around or fall off or anything like that. This may be your answer.